Days of the week, English language learning. Welcome to our English language learning video on Days of the Week. In this video, we will cover the essential vocabulary related to the days of the week in English. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently use and pronounce the names of the days of the week. So, let's get started. The English language uses a set of specific names for each day of the week. Here are the names of the days of the week in English: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remember to pay attention to the pronunciation of each day of the week. Practice saying them aloud to improve your pronunciation skills. Now that we know the names of the days of the week, let's look at how we use them in everyday conversations. Here are a few common phrases and examples. 1. What day is it today? This question is commonly used to ask about the current day. 2. Example. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. 3. I have a meeting on Monday. Use this structure to talk about specific events happening on a particular day. 4. Example. I have a meeting on Monday, so I need to prepare my presentation. 5. Let's meet on Saturday. When making plans, it's important to mention the day of the week. 6. Example. Let's meet on Saturday at the park. 7. I usually go shopping on Sundays. Use adverbs like usually to talk about recurring activities on a specific day. 8. Example. I usually go shopping on Sundays because it's less crowded. Here are some fun facts about the days of the week. The names of the days in English are derived from the names of celestial objects and gods in ancient cultures. Monday is named after the moon, Tuesday after the god Tiw, Wednesday after the god Odin, Thursday after the god Thor, Friday after the goddess Frigg, Saturday after the planet Saturn, and Sunday after the sun. Congratulations! You have now learned the names of the days of the week in English and how to use them in conversations. Remember to practice pronouncing the days aloud and incorporate them into your daily English practice. Keep up the great work, and soon you'll be able to effortlessly talk about the days of the week in English. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on English language learning. See you next time.